Yo, what up guys? In this video I'll be showing you how you can trade cryptocurrencies and make a lot of profit from it. This video is not only for those who trade cryptocurrencies, it's also for those who want to invest in cryptocurrencies and make a lot of profit from it. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can use one indicator to tell you when you can buy and sell your cryptocurrency. So just be sure to stick around this video. I'll be right back. Yo, what up guys? I'm Leo. Welcome to Crypto Nice. In this channel, we take you through cryptocurrency tutorials, project reviews, market trends and event highlights. So now I'll be taking you through how you can trade cryptocurrencies, invest in cryptocurrencies using one indicator that will let you know when you can buy cryptocurrency and sell them. So before we go into the tutorial, I'll be taking you through some things you'll be needing. If you are watching my content for the first time, you'll be needing a cryptocurrency wallet, a cryptocurrency, either Bitcoin or Ethereum or other types of cryptocurrency. There's a pop-up on this video which will take you through all those things you'll be needing to start trading and even investing in cryptocurrency. So let's get into the tutorial full scale. You're ready to go now. Yo, welcome to the tutorial aspect of this video where I'll be taking you through the indicator that you can use to trade, invest and make profit. This is real, guys. So the indicators we'll be using today is the RSI, the relative strength index. Let me explain how it works first before I actually tell you how it so once the RSI is at a very high level, it means people have bought that cryptocurrency. It tells you when people buy it and when people dump it. So when you see your RSI at a low position, it means people are dumping it. And it's actually the best thing they could do, because once you buy a cryptocurrency at this level, you can see, and your cryptocurrency is attaining this level, as a trader you surely leave it and you liquidate it, because once there is an increase in a cryptocurrency you bought at a low price, if you don't liquidate it, you don't turn it to a stable coin or to BTC, you might end up even losing, because you can see if I bought it around here and now see the position, I'll surely change it. So once I change it, I'll wait for another position whereby it will fall, and I buy again and there will be an increase. So there's a recent scenario. This is for traders, and that was yesterday, 13th of January 2019. You can see there was a drop on Tron and the RSI was around 28, and if you bought this position here, you can see your profit. Wow. So that's how the RSI works for traders. So once you see the RSI at a position, but there is a standard position which is 2080, so you buy cryptocurrency around 20, a position of 20, and you sell them when the RSI is 80, and you can see this is 87, so just within that range. And there's also a position that 3070. It depends on what you want, but you can still buy RSI of 40, 30 and 20. Once it's going to 50 is a risky game, and this kind of trades, you can see, is a risky game. But once you have your RSI between 20, 30, 17, 10, that's hot cake. You can just pump money inside and make your profit. But note, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just telling you guys what have worked for me, and you can just try it out. But before you put your money in cryptocurrency, remember it's a volatile market. Do your personal research and make your profit. So for investors, and please, the best time range actually for RSI is the 4 hours chart, because there's a lot of confusion when using this time, about using this time range, because let's check the 2 hours. You can see there's difference. There will always be difference, and that will always bring problem when trading. So just stick to a particular time frame, either 2 hours, 4 hours, if you want to trade cryptocurrencies. But 2 hours and 4 hours is just the best time. So for investors, you just need to play with the 1 day. you can see, assuming you bought at this point when the RSI was low, 13%, and you just, as an investor, you don't need the money right now. You just wait for months, and you get a profit here, man. And it's not even up to a month. You pumped your money in and you get a profit. So soft. So it's just same explanation. When the RSI level is low, it means people dump the cryptocurrency. So what you do is you buy it at that point, and you wait for the RSI to just move. There will be some move that you'll be scared that, oh God, hope I've not lost my money. And it can't just go straight. It will move in waves. So you can see it's moving, and when it touches 80, there was like a kind of confusion here, because at this point, if you had removed your profit and you see these cryptocurrency now growing to this rate, I've been in that kind of situation before, most times, because I don't want to see my cryptocurrency crashing. So once I get that kind of profit, a good profit, I just stay out. But now seeing that cryptocurrency growing again, we are human beings now. You feel, wow, God, who told me to remove it? So this, I can't explain this, but if you had removed your profit here, to be honest, you tried, you made profit. It's not let's assume your cryptocurrency now crashed here, so that's the loss, but you made that profit. So that's how RSI works. So if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I will answer your question about the relative strength index. Thank you for watching this short tutorial. I know you've gotten value from this. Hope to see you in my next video. Peace out.